Hello guys, let me introduce you this new software. Blip. We installed it first on our Android. It's easy. You put the email, you got the code, paste the code, put any name you like, enable notifications, allow it, press done, and we are all set. You can download it of course from Google Play. Now, moving to set it up on our PC. As the same, we put the email, we click on the download next to our Windows. Now we wait for the Windows Microsoft to download it on our PC. After downloading, we click on sign in with email. We use the same email on all devices. Press the send code button. And now we got an email on our account with the code. We go to our email, get the code and paste it right here. Click on done. Now I'll try to send a file here. Note that you need to be on the same network on your mobile phone and your PC. As you can see, the max speed was 10 megabits per second. Now let me show you another trick. You enable the mobile hotspot on your PC. Now you go to your mobile phone and connect to the same network. As you can see, now we are connected to the hotspot. Now we'll try to send the same file again. In comparison, we notice that the speed is now 2 times faster, so it's 2 times better transferring. If you liked my video and felt that I helped you, please subscribe for my channel for more useful videos.